morning class. I'm here to teach you economics. So further I'll start today's topic. I'll ask some introductory question. So my first question is, what will you do if you are hungry? You eat food. Good. What will you do if you are hungry and you find out your favorite food? You eat more or you eat a lot. Very good. If you eat more or a lot, will your utility or satisfaction increases or decreases? Yes, decreases. Correct. Name the law which it's apply. Name the law in which it's apply. You don't know the answer of this question? Now I tell you, this is the law of diminishing marginal utility. Today we shall study in detail about law of diminishing marginal utility. So today's topic is law of diminishing marginal utility. So, first of all, we know what is law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility explain a common phenomena that when consumer keep on consuming a particular commodity again and again, that the level of satisfaction keep on diminishing. It means that when an individual, कोई person है जो किसी product को कंटिन्यूसली क्या करें, कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, बार बार एक ही प्रोडक्ट को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, तो उनका जो सेटिस्फैक्शन या यूटिलिटी है वो क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा. ठीक है, ये लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऐसा कहता है. इसका मतलब ये होता है. इन इकोनॉमिक्स हर्मन हेनरिच गॉसेन गिवन अ 3 लॉज. उन्होंने इकोनॉमिक्स में 3 लॉज दिए हैं. दैट इज द रीजन this law of diminishing marginal utility, is also known as a Gaussian First Law, because Hermann Heinrich Gaussian ने Gaussian's first law is law of diminishing marginal utility. Now we study the assumption of this law. So here it will be assumption. So here today first assumption is the commodity should be consumed continuously. क्या है first? The commodity should be consumed continuously. क्या होना चाहिए? फर्स्ट अजम्पशन ये कहता है कि जो कमोडिटी है वो कंटिन्यूसली कंज्यूम्ड होना चाहिए. अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल कोई चीज को खा रहे हैं तो वो विदाउट इंटरवल के, विदाउट किसी ब्रेक ऑफ टाइम के जो है कि वो कंज्यूम करेंगे. सेकेंड अजम्पशन, द कमोडिटी शुड ओनली बी वन. द कमोडिटी शुड ओनली बी one. कमोडिटी सिर्फ एक ही होनी चाहिए. इफ यू ईट पराठास, यू कंटिन्यूसली ईट पराठास. इफ यू ईट पिज्जा, कंटिन्यूसली ईट पिज्जा. इफ यू ईट आइसक्रीम, यू ईट कंटिन्यूसली ईट आइसक्रीम. थर्ड वन इज द टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंसेस ऑफ कंज्यूमर शुड नॉट बी चेंज. द टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंसेस the taste and preferences should not be changed. If you eat ice cream, if you eat strawberry ice cream, you continuously eat strawberry ice cream. Not change in flavor also. First you eat strawberry, then you eat chocolate, then you eat vanilla. It's not like that. If you eat like that, then this law is not applicable. If you eat continuously strawberry ice cream, then then this law is applicable. First क्या होना चाहिए? First condition is the commodity should consumed continuously. हमें continuously without any interval के जो है कि commodity को consume करना है. Second is the commodity should only be one. Commodity सिर्फ एक ही होनी चाहिए. If you eat ice cream, then you eat continuously ice cream. It doesn't mean you eat ice cream, then you eat pastry, then cake, then it's not like that. If you eat ice cream, continuously eat ice cream. The taste and preferences should not be changed. It means that if you eat one flavor of ice cream, you continuously eat of same flavor of ice cream, not change in flavors. This much is clear. I'm hoping everyone is clear my point. Now note down these assumptions in your notebook. I'll give some time to note down of these assumptions. Then after that we moved further. Done? Okay, I'll erase it. Now, this much is clear now. Now I'll ask some comprehensive question on the basis of we study later. Okay, so my first question is, what is the another name of this law? Yes, correct. Gaussian First Law. Why we called this law as a Gaussian First Law? Yes, correct. Because Hermann Heinrich Gaussian gave the three laws, and the first law and his first law is law of diminishing marginal utility. That is the reason we call this law as a Gaussian First Law. Correct. Now, the third question is, what is the assumption of this law? What is the assumptions of this law? Yes. Yes, there is three assumptions. Yes, the first one is the commodity should be consumed continuously, the commodity should only be one, and the taste and preferences should not be changed. Correct. Now we study further. Now we understand this law of diminishing marginal utility by the schedule and graph. First I'll make the schedule. So the first is unit, then MU, and then TU. We moved further. First of all, I'll clear what is MU and TU. MU stand for marginal utility. MU stand for marginal utility and TU stand for total utility. Get it? Yeah. This is the full form of MU and TU. Now, unit will be 1. When we take the first ice cream, our MU is 10 and TU is 10. When we take the second unit, MU is 8 and TU is 18. When we adding this, we got this. When we take the another third ice cream, our TU is 6. Sorry, MU is 6 and TU is 18 plus 6. It will be 24. It will be 4th. MU is 4 and TU is 28. 5th ice cream. MU is 2, TU is 30. 6th, MU is utility is 0 now and TU is constant. 7th, MU is minus 2, TU is 28. And here the 8 units of ice cream, minus 4, and here the 24. Now I'll show something in the schedule, relationship between MU and TU. See the relationship between MU and TU. See here. When MU is positive, TU is rises. सी आपको ये दिख रहा है? व्हेन mu, जब तक mu क्या है, पॉजिटिव है, tu क्या कर रहा है, राइज कर रहा है इन अ पॉजिटिव वे। व्हेन tu आपका, व्हेन mu क्या हो गया, जीरो हो गया है, देन tu हमारा क्या हो गया है, कांस्टेंट। इट मींस कांस्टेंट हो गया है। आफ्टर दैट व्हेन mu इज इन नेगेटिव, tu start decline. This is the relationship between mu and tu. When mu is positive, tu rises. When mu is zero, tu is constant. When mu is negative, tu start decline. Now we understand this law by the graph. This is the x-axis and here the y-axis. This is the unit and here. First mu. And here the what we see here. देखिए, when mu rises in a positive, it will be here, it will be rise in a positive here, it will be zero here and here negative. When जब तक mu क्या है, पॉजिटिव है, it will be here rises. tu क्या कर रहा है, राइज कर रहा है, इंक्रीज कर रहा है. when mu is zero, tu क्या हो गया है, कांस्टेंट हो गया है. when mu is came in negative, it will be tu start decline. Clear? Now you understand the schedule and graph. Now I'll ask some basis of this. Now I'll ask some question basis of this graph and schedule. So my first question is, what is when marginal utility is positive, tu is what? When marginal utility is positive, tu is what? Tu is rises. Correct. Second question is, when mu is negative, tu is what? When mu is negative, tu is what? Tu is start decline. Yes, correct. Very good. Now what I'll ask? When mu is zero, tu is what? On constant. Very good. Clear everyone? Now note down these this schedule and graph in your copy. This is your blackboard work. Now copy it in your notebook copy. Note down? Very good. Now I'll take the quick revision. आज हमने जितना भी पढ़ा है from the starting to the end, we take the quick revision. I'll ask some question. First question is, who given this law? Hermann Heinrich Gaussian. Very good. Now, second question is, how many assumptions for this law? Will be 3. Very good. There is 3 assumptions of this law. Achha. What is the relationship between mu and tu? Yes. And when mu is positive, tu is rises. When mu is zero, tu is constant. When mu is negative, tu start decline. Very good. Now I'll give some homework and note down in your copy. So my first question is, what is utility? Define the term utility. I write on the board. So the first question is, this is your homework. First question, define utility. define the term marginal utility. Utility and total utility. And the third is write the relationship between relationship between mu and du. And the one more question. Fourth question. Define the term commodity. Now, these 4 questions, you done it in your homework. This is your home assignment done in your homework. So thank you for today. Thank you class.